In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link data from one sheet to another in Smartsheet. If you want to keep information connected across multiple sheets without manually copying and pasting every time something changes, linking cells is a very useful feature. It helps make sure your data stays consistent and up to date, especially when you're working with reports, dashboards, or related project sheets. To begin, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want the linked data to appear. This is the destination sheet, meaning it's the place that will display the value coming from somewhere else. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct sheet and that you know exactly where you want the linked information to go. Next, click the cell that should receive the linked value. This is important because the link will be created in the specific cell you select. Try to choose the correct row and column carefully so the imported data appears in the right context and supports the rest of your sheet accurately. Once that cell is selected, right-click and choose the option called Link from Cell in Other Sheet. This tells Smartsheet that instead of typing a value manually, you want the cell to pull information from a different sheet. It's a simple option, but it can save a lot of time when managing recurring or shared data. After that, you select the source sheet. This is the sheet that already contains the value you want to use. Make sure you choose the right one, especially if you work with several similar sheets. Taking a second here can help you avoid linking to the wrong data. When the source sheet opens, choose the specific cell you want to link. This step determines exactly what value will appear back in your destination sheet. Be precise and double check that the source cell contains the correct information, since any updates to that source cell will carry through the link. Then confirm the link. Once confirmed, Smartsheet creates the connection between the two cells, and the destination cell will display the linked value. You may also notice that the linked cell has a different appearance, which helps indicate that it's pulling data from another location. Finally, check that the linked value updates correctly. This is an important last step to make sure everything is working as expected. If the source value changes later, the linked cell should reflect that change. Verifying this right away helps confirm the link was set up properly. That's it. Once you've done this, you can repeat the same process for any other cells you need to connect across sheets in Smartsheet.